Hello, students. Good morning to all. In our previous class, we have studied about the adaptations of animals in the polar regions, isn't it? In this class, we shall study about the adaptation of the animals in the tropical rainforests. The tropical region has generally a hot climate because of its location around the equator. Even in the coldest month, the temperature is generally higher than about 15 degrees Celsius. During hot summers, the temperature may cross 40 degrees Celsius. Days and nights are almost equal in length throughout the year. These regions get plenty of rainfall. An important feature of this region is the tropical rainforests. Tropical rainforests are found in Western Ghats and Assam in India, Southeast Asia, Central America, and Central Africa. Because of continuous warmth and rain, this region supports wide variety of plants and animals. The major type of animals living in the rainforests are monkeys, apes, gorillas, tigers, elephants, leopards, lizards, snakes, birds, and insects. Let us study about the adaptations of these animals to a hot, humid climate. The climatic conditions in rainforests are highly suitable for supporting an enormous number and a variety of animals. Since the number are large, there is intense competition for food and shelter. Many animals are adapted to living on the trees. Red-eyed frog has developed sticky pads on its feet to help it climb trees on which it lives. To help them live on the trees, monkeys have long tails for grasping branches. Their hands and feet are such that they can easily hold on to the branches. As there is competition for food, some animals are adapted to get food not easily reachable. A striking example is that of the bird toucan, which possesses a long, large beak. This helps a toucan to reach the fruits on branches which are otherwise too weak to support its weight. Many tropical animals have sensitive hearing, sharp eyesight, thick skin, and a skin color which helps them to camouflage by blending with the surroundings. This is to protect them from predators. For example, big cats, that is, lions and tigers, have thick skins and sensitive hearing. The lion-tailed macaque, also called beard ape, lives in the rainforests of Western Ghats. Its most outstanding feature is the silver white mane, which surrounds the head from the cheeks down to its chin. It is a good climber and spends a major part of its life on the tree. It feeds mainly on fruits. It also eats seeds, young leaves, stems, flowers, and buds. This beard ape also searches for insects under the bark of the trees. Since it is able to get sufficient food on the trees, it rarely comes down on the ground. Another well known animal of Indian tropical rainforest is the elephant. It has adapted to the conditions of rainforests in many remarkable ways. Look at its trunk. It uses it as a nose because of which it has a strong sense of smell. The trunk is also used by it for picking up food. Moreover, its tusks are modified teeth. These can tear the bark of trees that elephant loves to eat. So, the elephant handle the competition for food rather well. Large ears of the elephant help it to hear even very soft sounds. They also help the elephant to keep cool in the hot and humid climate of the rainforest. So, my dear students, in this class we have studied about the adaptation of animals in the tropical rainforest. And also, in this chapter, we have studied about weather, climate, climate and adaptation, animals in polar regions, and in the tropical rainforests. Okay, my dear students, we shall meet in the next class. Till then, have a nice time.